Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to talk to you a little bit about Black Lives Matter, about the protests, and about how you are feeling thus far. So the protests have been going on around 8 to 10 days in different states. And, what I wanted to say about it is, I am definitely for the protest. I am definitely speaking out on behalf of Black Lives Matter. And I'm also speaking out on all lives matter, whether you're black or not, no matter what race you are. And I just wanted to let you know how important your life matters. And it matters to me and a lot of other people, I'm sure, that you know. Now, your life matters because you are a living soul. And this is for anyone that's listening and anyone that you share the video with. You are a soul. You are a living human being. You have feelings. You have a voice, and you contribute to society. So not only that, you contribute to your family. Your family depends on you. They look forward to seeing you. So your life matters. It really, really matters. And so I am so happy to see that the protesters are not only just black people, they're all nationalities, and I love it. I love it. I've been waiting on the day that our nation come together. I've been waiting on the day that the world comes together. And who would have known that this is the event that really have us all thinking about what we all want for each other, which is the same thing, treated fairly, treated with dignity, and not signaled out for the color of our skin or our race or our sexuality or any of that stuff. And the world is coming together. I mean, really coming together. And I am so happy to see it. So I did my research and I found out not just in the United States are they having the protests for Black Lives Matter, but also in other countries. And so I was just taken back. I said, oh, well, let me look into this further to see how many countries are really celebrating. And I'm sure I don't have them all because I don't have the history for all, but I do have some, and I wanted to bring those countries to your attention because they deserve a praise, because they're in the fight with us, and this happened in the United States. But it goes to show you, no matter what, okay, tariffs or anything else is stopping us from uniting together, and that's beautiful. Okay, so I have some written down. Shall I share that with you? Why not? Okay. Europe, marching, Black Lives Matter. Asia, marching, Black Lives Matter. South Africa, holding up signs and letting people know Black Lives Matter. Australia, yay for Australia, letting everybody know Black Lives Matter. Canada, letting us know Black Lives Matter. Can you just imagine that? And what if we were all in one place? We wouldn't be able to hold everyone in one place. This is just awesome. What a message this is sending to everyone, to the United States, to their country. It's letting everyone know we are all united. Bravo. London, yes, Black Lives Matter. Paris, we all want to be treated the same. Germany, Germany. Can you believe it? Black Lives Matter. Brazil. Yay for Brazil. Black Lives Matter. South Korea. Black Lives Matter. And this was a little education for me because I didn't know. I knew it would be blacks living in these countries, but I didn't know how many that it would make a stand. But it goes to show you, we're all over the world, just like all other race and nationality is all over the world, okay? That was an education for me. It opened my eyes even further. And I accept and appreciate all of them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, protesters in these countries broke curfew and still continue to protest. Now, that's really big for some of these countries because they're pretty strict, some of them, when they put down a curfew. But it goes to show you, no matter what, people are letting them know that they're here for the cause, they're here for what's right, and no matter what, they're willing to take the risk. And think about it. You know, we've all just coming out of the tail end of the infection that has plagued us nationwide, and we all had to endure whether or not we were going to get the sickness, whether it was going to take us out or not. And so we all face the same fears and concerns. So you see, we all have similar issues, right? That's why they're all for Black Lives Matter, because it's all the same. And I'm going to go and say Black Lives Matter, Indian Lives Matter, Spanish Lives Matter, Italian Lives Matter, anybody I didn't call out life matter, Chinese lives matter, Asian lives matter. I could just go on and on and on. We all matter. Okay. These countries said the reason why they were out there joining the protest is because the police brutality is the same in their country as it is here in the United States. So you see, the police is not all police, I never say all, but some of the bad police is over in these countries as well, brutally doing harm to people, brutally doing harm to blacks. And they want to stop to it too. They see, they hear, and they know. Okay? In the UK, protesters tore down a 17th century slave trade statue. They tore it down. And I seen them on television pushing it all the way down until they got to the point where it was some water, and they pushed it in the water. They had enough of it. They took it down. So why are these statues still up in different places, both in the United States and other countries? Why are these statues still up representing slavery, representing wrongs that was done by people, praising these people on the statues who were slave owners? That's not right. It's not right. They need to come down. Oh, I can't wait until they take them all down, because it's just a reminder of the wrongs that was done. Okay? Okay, so I just wanted to give a praise to those countries again. I want to read them one more time because I don't want you to ever forget, because you know, sometimes we hear good and bad about different countries, and this is some good. Okay? Europe, Asia, South America, Australia, Canada, London, Paris, Germany, Brazil, South Korea. Okay? Okay. I just wanted to share that with you, and we need to give God praise that God is working it out all over the world. And I want to thank God for that. Okay? Okay, thanks for hanging around. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Give it a thumbs up, please. Share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out my links below. Okay? Until next time, bye-bye.